Despite the fact that the wider cryptocurrency market fell after billionaire Elon Musk said Tesla would no longer allow Bitcoin due to its high environmental expense, the price of Cardano's ADA, the world's fourth most valuable token, soared as crypto traders rushed to buy the token that claims to be a far less carbon-intensive alternative. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Charles Hoskinson thinks Cardano ADA is ready to explode. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Many in the industry are scratching their heads and wondering what's behind the spectacular price surge that has seen cryptocurrency Cardano ADA rise nearly 600% in the last 3 months. ADA's market capitalization, that is the cumulative value of all coins in circulation, soared to the point that it was briefly the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, behind only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano's ADA token, the only top 10 cryptocurrency to rise on Thursday, reached a new high of $1.96 around noon EDT, bringing its market capitalization to roughly $61.5 billion. Cardano ADA was launched in 2015 and has spent the majority of its time since then ranking among the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. Cardano is a cryptocurrency that operates on its own blockchain network. The Cardano blockchain, dubbed the next big thing after Ethereum, can be used to create smart contracts, protocols, and decentralized applications. It was created by mathematician Charles Hoskinson and former Ethereum co-worker Jeremy Wood, with the aim of creating a more scalable and stable blockchain network, two goals that Hoskinson believes Ethereum would struggle to achieve entirely. The Cardano settlement layer, CSL, and the control layer are the two layers that make up Cardano's foundation. The former serves as a unit of account, allowing token holders to submit and receive ADA at very low transaction costs right away. The latter is a series of protocols that can be used to run smart contracts, ensure protection, and facilitate identity recognition, among other things. Novogratz isn't the only one who questions why ADA has risen so dramatically. Nick Carter, the co-founder of research firm Coinmetrics, says, "I am not aware of a single common application deployed on Cardano, nor have I seen any excitement for the platform among developers. I'm genuinely baffled as to why it's gaining popularity again." The fact that the factors behind Cardano's rise are unknown hasn't stopped retail investors from investing in cryptocurrency. Cardano has a devoted following on Reddit, the same platform that fueled a rally in many meme stocks at the start of the year, including GameStop, which has risen by nearly 1,300% since January. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Hoskinson argued that Cardano prices have been increasing since Ethereum is considered too expensive for developers. Cardano's blockchain, he believes, would soon overtake Ethereum's. Cardano, according to Hoskinson, varies from Ethereum in a variety of main ways. To begin, all nodes in the network must agree on how transactions, blocks, will be added to the blockchain. Evidence of job, POW, and proof of stake are the two primary approaches, POS. Proof of work is the most common approach right now, and it's what Bitcoin uses. Until blocks can be inserted, miners must solve a complex mathematical puzzle and share the proof. The disadvantage is that POW consumes a lot of resources because it requires so much effort. Proof of stake, on the other hand, enables crypto token owners to stake a portion of their cryptocurrency on the blockchain. Miners are then chosen from among those who've staked their claim to add blocks to the chain. When coins are validated and added to the blockchain, holders can assign them to pools and receive a share of the transaction fees created. Evidence of stake is already in use in Cardano. Meanwhile, Ethereum is also in the process of switching from POW to POS. Second, Cardano's price rise may be due to the blockchain's multiple applications. It functions similarly to Bitcoin in that it serves as a medium of exchange, but it also has voting rights. Changes to a blockchain specification are usually voted on by miners. Cardano coin holders, on the other hand, have the ability to vote on these reforms, giving them a greater say in the cryptocurrency's future growth. Overall, Cardano's meteoric rise may be attributed to predictions that it would ultimately outperform Ethereum in terms of utility. According to Hoskinson, more than 100 businesses are in the process of switching from Ethereum to Cardano. Cardano in particular went through its much-anticipated Mary update earlier this month, allowing users to build unique tokens, including non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These are digital files that reflect asset ownership and have also become the new crypto craze. That aspect, more than anything else, may explain the renewed interest in Cardano. Despite the fact that the network went through the Mary upgrade, Crispus Niaga, an investment analyst at InvestingCube, says there are questions developers are yet to accept it. So from that perspective, Cardano has a long way to go before it catches up with Ethereum. Though Cardano's value has skyrocketed in recent months, this is nothing out of the ordinary in the world of cryptocurrencies. It's worth noting that major winners this year include Elon Musk's favorite, Dogecoin, up more than 1,100% since the beginning of the year, which is essentially a coin made to mock the crypto craze. So it's possible there's nothing more to it than Cardano being the newest coin to join the current craze. The cost of the project continues to rise. This comes after Cardano's parent company, Input Output, recently announced a partnership with World Mobile Group. Cardano's use cases are expected to grow in African countries like Tanzania and Ethiopia as a result of the collaboration. Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson has also expressed his views on the company's future plans, admitting that the organization failed to meet the project's 5-year targets. Of course, I'm an optimist who tends to underestimate engineering and scientific sophistication, so we didn't quite meet that target, Hoskinson said. 2021 is kind of our overflow year, where we're pulling together and turning on all the stuff we dreamed of over the last 5 years. In addition, the Cardano ecosystem recently announced plans to launch AgeUSD, the first ever stablecoin. The algorithmic stablecoin appears to be on track to reduce exposure to cryptocurrency markets that are prone to volatility. Within the industry, stablecoins have become increasingly common. In that regard, AgeUSD appears to be set to add more value to the Cardano blockchain ecosystem. Cardano has a roadmap in place that runs until 2025. The Voltaire update is the last phase on the roadmap. The Voltaire Age of Cardano will provide the final pieces needed for the Cardano network to become a self-sustaining system, the Cardano roadmap says. Price prediction: Cardano's price has been battling the magnet effect of the previous trading range peak of $1.57, preventing a sustained rally. Today's bullish engulfing day may be the answer to ADA's 6-day sideways trend, enabling the company to target higher prices with increased trader engagement. Cardano price hit a new all-time high of $2.04 today against the dollar, and a 3-year high against Bitcoin, demonstrating the digital token's relative power. Unlike Bitcoin, ADA has a less intensive mining and transaction network, which is one of the major reasons for the increased benefit. Indeed, Elon Musk's remarks yesterday only bolstered the ADA status as the less carbon-intensive space choice. Cardano price emerged from a cup with handle base on May 5th, led by a 16% rise, creating a trend shift for ADA after 2 months of friendliness. The post-breakout market action has been choppy, but the regular volume metrics accumulation/distribution profile has remained steadfastly optimistic. The volume barely surpassed the 50-day average even during yesterday's 11% drop. Today's value, on the other hand, is 3 times that of the average, as the Cardano price rises 21%. The cup with handle basis calculated transfer goal is $2.41, representing a 65% increase from the handle breakout at $1.46 and a 25% gain from price. Cardano price would have to conquer the resistance of the 138.2% Fibonacci extension of the April fall at $1.95, as well as the psychologically significant $2 before meeting the calculated transfer goal. ADA's market action was dominated by $1 from February to April, meaning that $2 could be an intimidating price range as well. If Cardano price wins the fight at $2, the 161.8% extension of the April fall at $2.08 will act as a temporary resistance until the calculated move to $2.41 is completed. A close above $1.89 today will confirm the bullish engulfing day and increase the chances of ADA hitting at least the calculated step goal, if not higher, in the near future. The widespread sell-off in the cryptocurrency market yesterday seems to be a blip on the radar for the rally. Any more sale, however, could increase the contagion quotient, disrupting the bullish ADA outlook. As evidenced by the 6 consecutive tests between May 7th and May 12th, the high of the March-April trading range at $1.57 is an important support for Cardano price. Any more selling pressure could drive the ADA to the handle high of $1.46, or even the 50-day simple moving average of $1.33. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.